Hi dear Scorpios, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general love reading for all the Scorpios, Sun, Moon, Venus rising. Keep in mind this is a reading for singles only and this is a reading from 1st of November till the end of November, and this might or might not resonate with you because this is general. Roles can be reversed anytime, and the second thing and the most important thing is that I forgot. Yeah, this is a reading for November and energies can be reversed, and this is journal, it might or might not resonate. Okay, so recent past energy, Scorpio, your recent past energy was, let's see. Okay, the cards are behaving like crazy. I think I just have to tap them. Just give me a second, Scorpio. Okay, so let's see. Queen of Cups. It could be possible that you were deeply in love with somebody, okay, in the recent past, or it could be possible that you were trying your best to stay emotionally balanced in your life. This is emotional balance, or this is kind of love that you feel for somebody, motherly kind of love or concerning kind of love, and it could be like not just sexual love, not just passionate kind of love, but mature kind of energy, mature kind of love, a loyal kind of beautiful kind of love. Okay, let me clarify this, what was happening there. It could be because this is October right now, might be you're feeling this right now. Let me see. The Hanged Man, the Six of Wands, and the Four of Cups. I feel like you were completely stuck in a situation in the recent past and you wanted to have a successful and victorious connection, or have a successful or victorious outcome of a connection from your side, but somewhere you were really confused and dissatisfied, or you can say bored, or there was some kind of blockage in the love situation. So I feel like you are right now going through a period of self love, self healing, or something that didn't work out in the past. You are just healing from that situation and you are just trying to balance your emotions and be emotionally balanced in your life as much as possible. Okay, right now this is the situation. You are trying to see the world or see the connection in a different light, with a different perspective, and you certainly wanted to have a successful or victorious connection and or a marriage with this particular person, but you were not sure. That's why you are just trying to be emotionally balanced and emotionally at peace right now, so that you can take a decision. Okay, this is the recent past energy. Let's see what's your current energy, Scorpio. Page of Swords, cutting out all the negativity, toxicity, restarting your life, and you are not allowing any kind of negative people around you, Scorpio. This is the energy, and this is also possible that you could be dealing with a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius here. Let me clarify the Page of Swords in your current energy. Let's see what is happening. Queen of Swords and the Knight of Swords and the Six of Swords. Lots of swords. Hell lot of air energy. Libras, Aquarius, Gemini. So you are cutting out all the negativity, all the toxicity, and you are just cutting out all the people who are rushing towards you, or who are just making you to rush for a decision, or making you feel like uncomfortable taking any kind of decision regarding any kind of situation in your life, and you are just trying to cut out all the negative things, all the negative people, all the toxic people, or the toxic relationship from your life, and you just want to try, or go towards a calmer phase of your life, or find a peaceful resolution of a situation which might be lingering you from a very long time. So I can see that you are cutting out all the negativity, toxicity from your energy, from your aura, and you're just cutting out all those who are just rushing towards you, or who are just making your life hell. Okay, who are not mentally stable, and they are just right now might be asking for commitment or something like that from you. So you're just cutting out all those sort of people from your life, and you're trying to have a peaceful resolution or a peaceful solution to a problem that might be emotional problem that you might be facing from a very long time. Okay, cool. So let's see what is your energy towards new love, or what is coming towards you, regarding new love, or if you are going to find a soulmate, something that is for you, some message for you, Scorpio. Nine of Cups. I feel like somebody is coming towards you with love offer. With love offer. This is Nine of Cups. Somebody is coming towards you with flowers, and somebody is coming to you with lots of love, and I can see a horse also here. So it is kind of Prince Charming kind of energy. It could be Prince Charming, or it could be Princess Charming, it could be anything. This is not a gender specific reading. So I feel like somebody is coming towards you with lots of love and lots of flowers and lots of passion, you can say. Let me clarify the Knight of Cups for a new energy or for a relationship in your life right now. Four of Swords and the King of Pentacles and the Queen of Pentacles. I feel like you have tried your best to heal from a situation, to be very, very practical and down to earth and mature. I feel like you are doing some kind of spiritual healing, Reiki healing, some kind of meditation that is helping you to meditate well, and that is helping you to heal from a situation that was not working out for you, and you are just healing. Right now you are just healing. You are just healing, and I feel like somebody new is coming towards you with the offer of love, because I can see you healing, and I can see you taking a break from the past person or taking a break from the past situation. Now you are ready for new love in your life, and new love is coming towards you. Nine of Cups. New love or new energy of love is coming towards you, Scorpio. It could be the past person for some of you, but for most of you, I feel like this is a new person coming towards you. Okay, let's see what will be the potential outcome till the end of November. Six of Pentacles, equal give and take of energy. So Six of Pentacles, the more you are going to give, the more you are going to get back. This is the situation. Whatever you are going to do, you are going to get back the same thing. Might be if you are ready to compromise in the situation with this particular person from the past, you are going to get a compromising energy only. Might be you will decide that you do no longer want to be in a relationship with this person. So I can see that also happening. So whatever you are going to do, there will be reflection of the same thing in your energy by the end of November 2021. Let me clarify the Six of Pentacles as a potential outcome. Three of Swords and the Hierophant and the Eight of Pentacles. You are deeply heartbroken. Might be you are going to get deeply heartbroken by a Taurus person, or by a earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. But for most of you, it feels like a Taurus. But I feel like you will try your best to tap into your spiritual side, or tap into a belief that yes, marriage is good and long-term committed connection is going to be good. So you are going to work on that. You are going to work on that. So if you are going to work on that, I can see a positive outcome from their side as well. Okay, if you are ready to initiate the conversation, if you are ready to forget the heartbreak, and if you are ready to have a long-term committed connection with them, you have to make it work for you. No one else is going to make it work for you. You have to make it work for you. You have to talk to your partner, or communicate to your partner really well, okay, if you want this to happen. So this is what is coming towards you till the end of November. Cool. So yes, November is going to be a little difficult for you. It is a little complicated relationship between you and this past person. I feel like although you guys have broke up with each other, although you guys have parted ways from each other, I don't see any of you really happy without the other party. So there's a situation where you are going to get a love offer suddenly out of nowhere, and it could be a new person also. But for most of you, I can see that this person is already connected to you in your past energy. So I feel like yes, this person is coming towards you with lots of love, after lots of healing, after lots of meditation. This person is realizing, like this person is realizing that you are their soulmate and you are the one made for them. So they are ready to put in the effort and put in the energy and make this connection work out anyhow. Okay. So this is what is happening with this Scorpio. Thank you so much for listening. I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.